Where's Shahira? You want food? Ask your mommy food. Kiss, mommy. Kiss ka ni mommy. What?
Kiss Oliver.
Don't need no more liquid dumped in that bowl.
Finally, you eat what you call that? Dry.
It's a tiger. Like a tiger.
Mama,
Mm.
I told Daddy I bought my own stuff.
Shopping. Somebody smashed it.